A is for amazing splash. A loves to jump and splash in the pool. B is for big balloon. B likes to bounce and float up high. C is for curvy slide. C loves to whoosh down super fast. D is for dancing fountain. D likes to spray water and dance around. E is for easy waves. E loves to ride the gentle waves up and down. F is for fresh fruit. F enjoys sipping yummy sweet juice. G is for glittery glide. G loves to shine and slide with sparkles. H is for happy waterfall. H giggles and showers everyone with water. I is for icy sprinkles. I loves to twirl and play in the cool spray. J is for jumping joy. J bounces up, up, and away with a big smile. K is for kayak ride. K likes to paddle and splash in the water. L is for looping slide. L zooms round and round, laughing all the way. M is for mega balloons. M loves to pop and splash with friends. N is for neon night. N glows and shines so bright in the dark. O is for ocean ring. O spins and floats like a big fun tube. P is for playful spray. P squirts water and makes everyone giggle. Q is for quacky float. Q rides along with a friendly duck. R is for rocket slide. R zooms super fast just like a rocket. S is for snaky stream. S swirls and wiggles through the river. T is for tipping buckets. T loves to tip over and splash everyone. U is for underwater tube. U jumps right through with a big splash. V is for volcano splash. V bursts up high with a big happy splash. W is for wave rider. W surfs the waves and has so much fun. X is for X-cross jets. X sprays water crisscross, making cool shapes. Y is for yummy ice cream. Y licks a tasty treat and smiles wide. Z is for zigzag zoom. Z slides down fast, zigging and zagging all the way.